So before I show you my new and improved and solid iPhone mount on my FJ Cruiser, I want to show you what I've been using for the last 4 years. This is an iAudi One Touch phone holder from Amazon. Link will be in the description as they always are. This has been a solid mount. It's got lots of flexibility and adjustments, but it also got a little bit of play in it, and I don't really like the fact that it's so high up on my dash. I'd like it down a little bit lower so it doesn't block my view, and those of us with FJ Cruisers know we have everything blocking our view. Our secret to the customization of a phone mount is on the back of 90% of our phone holders is an adapter that takes a 17 millimeter ball mount. This is not a 17 millimeter ball. 17 millimeters is universal for Garmin and a lot of cell phone stuff, but they don't advertise it. So our key trick for customizing a phone mount is that 17 millimeter ball and finding a mount that will adapt to the proper place we want it in our vehicles to mount the phone holder. I just completed reworking a custom mount for my Porsche 911. Link will be in the upper right corner, but that mount won't work in my FJ Cruiser. Here is what I am waiting on if Amazon delivery will ever get here. Very simple, very small. I'm going to bolt this to my dash, and then I'll be able to remove my long arm on the iAudi and attach the phone holder to the 17 millimeter ball head. Pretty simple. This is the missing piece to my puzzle. It's here. It fits. It works. Let's go get this in the FJ. This is where I chose to mount my mount. It's on a 1/4-20 bolt, directly bolted from behind. You've got to pull that black radio cover plate off. There's 2 screws on the trim pieces and 2 screws on the black trim piece, and it all pulls off. There's a million videos on YouTube. You should already know how to do this. And here it is, finished and complete with the iAudi phone mount removed from the long arm onto my little mount. This is exactly where I wanted my phone mounted in my FJ. To each their own, right? You may want yours a little higher, a little bit more left or right or whatever. But use this video for motivation to re-engineer the way your phone is mounted. That's all. Links to everything is in the description, and I am out of here. See ya.